In this video, we are draw pelican. Let's follow the outlines. If you want more drawing videos, please subscribe my channel. Our drawing almost complete. Now we are filling color in our drawing. If you enjoy this video, please like the button. Press the like button. Now we are filling color in our drawing. First we fill color in pelican's body. After body we are filling in color. Almost our drawing complete. Now our drawing is complete. Enjoy the video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe our channel.